Why can't fish breathe on land? Have you ever wondered why fish simply cannot live without water? It seems obvious, but the reasons are deeply rooted in their biology. Let's dive into the critical functions water performs for these aquatic creatures. The first key is respiration. Fish must breathe oxygen dissolved in liquid. They use specialized organs called gills to accomplish this unique feat. If exposed to air, these delicate filaments collapse and dry out rapidly. In air, the surface tension of water disappears, causing the delicate gill structure to stick together. This significantly reduces the surface area available for oxygen exchange. Essentially, they suffocate because they cannot pull enough oxygen from the thin air. Water carries about 30 times more oxygen than the equivalent volume of air. This high density of oxygen is vital for their relatively slow metabolic rate. So, water isn't just something they swim in, it's their breath. Beyond breathing, water is the medium for osmotic regulation. Fish constantly manage the concentration of salts and fluids within their cells. If removed from water, the imbalance quickly leads to cellular rupture or severe dehydration. Freshwater fish need to constantly excrete excess water to prevent bloating. Saltwater fish, conversely, must actively drink water and excrete excess salt. Without water to mediate this exchange, their internal chemistry collapses. Water provides crucial physical support, counteracting gravity for the fish's body. This buoyancy allows for efficient swimming using their fins and tail. On land, their heavy skeletal structure and soft tissues are crushed under their own weight. Their fins, perfect for maneuvering in a dense fluid, are useless for terrestrial movement. The swim bladder, used for vertical positioning, requires water pressure to function correctly. Take away the water, and the fish loses its supportive structure and its means of motion. Water also acts as a protective shield for their specialized skin and mucus layer. This coating prevents infections and minimizes abrasion from environmental particles. On land, this protective layer dries quickly, leaving the fish vulnerable to drying out and injury. Furthermore, water is essential for their lateral line system, detecting vibrations. This lateral line detects pressure changes, allowing them to sense predators or prey. Without water conducting these vibrations, their primary sense of environmental awareness is lost. In summary, water is not merely their home, it is an integral part of their operating system. They require water for breathing efficiency, balancing their internal chemistry and physical support. When separated from water, all these systems fail almost simultaneously. Evolution designed the fish entirely around the properties of this unique liquid medium. Therefore, the inability of a fish to live without water is a direct consequence of its specialized design. Water is the environment, the air, and the structure for life underwater.